In this video, we're diving into how to set up automated candidate outreach on Top Echelon, so you can save time and streamline your recruiting process with this powerful software. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Top Echelon's automation features to enhance your outreach efforts. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can get started with Top Echelon for free, along with some exclusive bonuses that can take your recruiting to the next level. Top Echelon is a recruitment software designed to make candidate sourcing and outreach seamless. When setting up automated candidate outreach, the first thing you'll want to do is log in and access your recruiter dashboard. From there, navigate to the Tools section, where you'll find automation features that will help you streamline your communication with potential candidates. The key to using Top Echelon effectively is understanding its automation workflow. Start by setting up your candidate pipeline. You can import your candidate lists, or if you're just starting out, you can create new ones from scratch based on your criteria. Whether you're targeting specific job roles or skill sets, Top Echelon lets you organize and segment candidates in a way that suits your needs. Next, head over to the automated outreach section within the platform. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to create outreach campaigns that automatically send emails or messages to candidates at specific intervals. You can customize these messages to include personalized details, such as the candidate's name or position of interest, to make your outreach feel more human and less like a generic spam email. When creating your outreach campaign, take advantage of Top Echelon's template system. These templates are customizable, so you can craft messages that match your branding and tone. Once you've set up your templates, you can trigger them to send based on actions taken by the candidate, such as applying for a job or engaging with a previous message. This feature helps you stay in constant contact with candidates without having to manually track each interaction. But here's the best part. Top Echelon lets you schedule these messages to be sent at the optimal time. This ensures that your emails land in candidates' inboxes when they're most likely to be seen, increasing your chances of getting a response. Once your automated candidate outreach campaign is live, you'll want to track how well it's performing. Top Echelon provides you with detailed analytics and reporting so you can see which messages are getting the most opens, clicks, and responses. If you find that certain emails aren't performing as expected, you can easily tweak your templates or timing to improve results. Additionally, Top Echelon integrates with your CRM and other recruitment tools, allowing you to track candidate progress and move them through your hiring pipeline with ease. The platform's automation tools work hand in hand with its CRM, helping you stay organized while reducing the time you spend on manual tasks. Now, if you're new to Top Echelon and wondering where to start, don't worry. You can get access to this software completely for free from the first link below, and we've also included some exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of the platform. This offer is designed to make it easier for you to experience the benefits of automated candidate outreach without any commitment upfront. In summary, setting up automated candidate outreach on Top Echelon is a straightforward process that can dramatically improve your recruiting efforts. From creating custom campaigns to tracking their performance, the platform is packed with features that can help you find the right candidates faster and more efficiently. And remember, if you want to get started with Top Echelon, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial linked below. You won't want to miss this opportunity. Thanks for watching and happy recruiting.